Go to pages, then add new, give the page a title, descriptive title, and hit publish. Then click on Launch Drive Architect. I prefer using pre-built landing pages. This pre-built page or design is designed for ebooks. This makes our job much easier. As you can see, the copyright and design of this pre-built landing page is very good for our needs. Editing this pre-built landing pages is so much easy. I got an idea of duplicating the form and placing it under the reviews. This way, if the visitors read the reviews and got convinced, he can easily opt for our ebook without going back to the top of the page. Let's now preview our design for tablets. As you can see, all the pre-built designs looks good on other devices other than computers. Changing the author image or photo is super easy. All you have to do is click on the image and replace it with another one from the left sidebar menu. Let's now save our work. Thrive Architect comes with the multiple pre-built page designs for ebooks. So if this design does not suit your style, you can easily choose another pre-built landing page and then select the ebook, and you can create another page that suits you. Now I already began creating the ebook sales page. The process is similar to we just did. As you can see, we can edit all the details of this pre-built design. By the way, for the buy now button, you can program it to send people to Amazon or to buy your ebook without leaving your page. That depends on your payment processor, if it's Stripe or WooCommerce or Paddle.com. Personally, I prefer Paddle.com. It works like charm for me and and where I live. Let's now preview our work on mobile phones. As you see, everything take its place without any other modification. Sometimes we have to edit, but most of the time all the pre-built pages or designs are adaptive, can adapt to mobile phones and tablets. Let's now create our ebook download page. It's the same process. Create a new page, give it a name, hit publish, then click on the green button, launch Thrive Architects on the top bar. Editing the ebook preview page is super easy. All you have to do, if you are new to Thrive tools or Thrive Teams tools, all you have to do is to make a walkthrough of all the options, the left menu, the right menu, and then you will easily understand how to work with it. It's super simple, it's self-explanatory. And now we have our page, our ebook download page ready. Let's move now to how to install Thrive Optimize. First thing, go to this link. It's my affiliate link, just to be clear with you. To head to the official Thrive Teams website, log in with your account, and download Thrive Product Manager plugin to your computer. Now head to your WordPress website, dashboard page or admin page, and go to plugins add new to upload your Thrive Product Manager plugin. Click on install and activate it. Now head to Product Manager on the sidebar. Choose Thrive Leads, Thrive Architect, and Thrive Optimize to start installing them. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.